Data centers are under immense pressure to scale quickly while keeping up with increasing cooling demands. Traditional cooling systems with rigid piping layouts often hinder upscaling and drive up costs. Conventional valves historically used in data center application force strict pipe layouts and required extra pipe length, creating installation headaches. These limitations can lock you into an inflexible system, causing bottlenecks and stifling space-consuming choices. When your cooling infrastructure is rigid, any change, whether an expansion or a new cooling requirement, can lead to costly retrofits. Flocon's PICV removed these traditional pipe restrictions, offering complete freedom during installation. Our valves can be installed in any orientation without compromising performance. Our design isn't just about flexibility. It's about future-proofing your data center so you can scale, upgrade, or retrofit your cooling system effortlessly. With no pipe restrictions, installation is faster, costs are lower, and your system is easily adaptable to changing demands and new requirements. Eliminate bottlenecks and design with flexibility in mind to ensure your data center stays ahead of tomorrow's challenges.